Hello everyone and welcome to my second LEGO related video. I hope that you saw the one before this where I've built Audi Sport Quattro S1 from LEGO set Speed Champions. And if you did, then you have probably heard me mentioning a couple of times that I will be building car trailer from the same LEGO set. So here we are. We are about to start building this awesome car trailer for our Audi Sport Quattro S1 that will be able to be placed on top and be carried around. And when both Audi and trailer will be built, they will become my lovely little extra accessories to be placed on Audi 200's dashboard when I'll be going to car shows. But that's probably going to happen only next season, because I won't be driving my Audi 200 during winter. And to ones that didn't know that I own Audi 200 but are interested in old classic Audi cars, please check out my other videos. And now, relax, get comfortable and enjoy today's build.
If you're walking into
And we are done. What an amazing trailer it came out to be. I really love the way it came out. And one thing that was needed to be done during the video but wasn't, stickers. But not to worry, if you go to my Instagram page at dasltu, you can find a post with fully completed trailer, all the stickers applied and some extra parts added. And now I will leave you with rest of the overview of the cars, and this will be it for today. I hope that you enjoyed today's video and have a good day. Bye!